do 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 do. I do 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 do. I do 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 do.
Hi Pitmasters, today we're smoking beef ribs.
For the rub we will need 2 tablespoons of fine salt, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar, 2 tablespoons crushed black pepper, half a tablespoon sage leaves, half a tablespoon celery leaves, 1 tablespoon onion powder, half a tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, and of course 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Mix that up and it will make a great rub for your beef ribs. The black pepper and the chili flakes will make for a great bark and will blend in perfect with the rest of the flavors. This is a gorgeous cut of beef ribs, nice and thick with a lot of marbling, perfect for a low and slow session. I'm going to try and apply all the rub that I made, so I get a nice thick coating. I'm not going to apply any olive oil or mustard to make the rub stick. I'm just going to let time do its job and let the juices of the beef make the rub stick. Well, she looks good already and we haven't even smoked her yet. Well, let's get on with that part. Here's my smoker. It's the ProQ gravity fed smoker and she's pretty cold. So I'm going to dump her full with charcoal and smoking wood and then we're going to fire her up. She needs a little bit of help because it's really cold outside. So I'm sticking in my gas burner and at the same time I'm starting a small fire. I'm going to use that small fire to get her up to temperature more quickly. When she's stable at around 110 degrees Celsius, which is 225 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm placing in the beef ribs. I'm smoking them for 8 to 12 hours. By then they should have reached a core temperature of 88 degrees Celsius, which is 119 degrees Fahrenheit. And then they should look like this. And let me tell you, this is pure heaven.
These beef ribs turned out absolutely fantastic. Super juicy, super tasty, the rub is fantastic. I hope you guys give it a try. I am sure you will love it. Let me know what you think of the recipe, leave me a comment down below or a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you guys next week.